Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, my name is Trisha, and I'm known as the Intuitive Guide and a medicine woman and a spiritual mentor. I'm also the creator and founder of Deeply Intuitive. Unleash your gifts to create abundance, to be empowered, and to gain confidence in connecting to your guides. You could also find my website, which is trishacondo.com, and follow me on social media. You follow me on Instagram.com/trishacondo and my YouTube, which is my name. So here I am. I am going to check. Let me know if you can hear and see me okay. Let me know if you can hear me and see me. I'd really love to know that. Let me know if you can hear and see me. Hi there, Tammy. Hi there, Bitsy. Oh, I'm starting to see people. Good. Let me know. And can you do me a favor and like this video? Can you love it? And share it out in public and tag your friends. Know that this is happening right now. So I apologize for being a little bit late. I was just, everybody's coming on, right on. Just, it's been a busy week for me. It's been a super busy week for me. Hey there, Michelle. Thanks for coming on. If you would like to schedule a free breakthrough call here, make sure that you follow me on Instagram and also on YouTube. There is, if you want to schedule a free breakthrough call. So let's go to what you came here for. So we're going to go through 3 cards. The first card that I picked was Beaver Spirit. So Beaver Spirit is very interesting because beavers tend to create dams, right? And if a dam doesn't have a strong foundation, if it doesn't have a strong wood, it becomes rotten because of weather. It could be age, it could be anything. But what happens is in the foundation, sometimes we get a check for rotten wood. And sometimes it makes us feel like we haven't done a great job, especially I'm sure with beaver, right? You haven't done a great job. Maybe things are weakening in certain areas. Maybe it's your worthiness, your valuableness. So sometimes we got to let go. So this coming week, it's time to let go of things that are rotten. Maybe it's a person in your life. Maybe it's someone that isn't by your side, who's always cynical. Someone that is not giving you praise or support. You know, those are people in our life that bring us down, and we keep, we're in this habit of allowing this to happen over and over. So it's time to let go of the rotten things. Just like this little guy, he's building a dam and he finds rotten wood. So with that being said, let go of the rotten things this week. It could be a rotten shed. It could be a rotten pupil. People are not aligning with you. Let them go, okay? And so we want to build something new in its place. So this week, it's time to let go of the rotten shit. I know I swore. And hopefully I won't get bleeped for that. And it's time to partner with the Creator. It's time to let go of things that are rotten, that are eating at you, that are not for you. So it's time for that this week, okay? The beaver's letting us know. I'm like, okay, all right, Creator. And the second card that I pulled, was the buffalo. And the buffalo is really hearty and meaty, and it's all about abundance because it's so meaty. It's kind of like equated to a moose. So a moose is the same thing. It can be shared throughout the community because usually a hunter goes to hunt for the moose, and usually it's shared among the community members. First of all, it goes to the elders, then it goes down, right? To the families and so forth and so on. So the buffalo is reminding us to have this abundant mindset, to be generous with everyone. So this week, it reminds us to be generous. Even if there's somebody, even if you're out in the grocery stores, maybe pay for somebody. It could be, I don't think you should pay for their groceries, but if that moves you, do it. Could be somebody going to Tim Hortons and somebody's behind you and you know them. Maybe you don't know them. So do something like that, okay? Maybe there's an elder looking for a parking spot and you have one and you allow them to go in. So that is the generous mindset. So it's time to give an offering also of tobacco. We can do this every time a person or a hunter goes out into the forest or up in the mountains. There's an intent. There's a very sacred intention. They go out there so they could help feed their families. It's a moderate livelihood. They don't go out there and shoot 20 moose just for the sake of it. I know I'm touching upon what's happening in Nova Scotia right now. You know what I'm talking about. So it's time to have that abundant mindset. It's all about giving. I know Thanksgiving is coming up in the United States. So it's all about giving and taking, and not having an intention of getting something back. So the third card that I have here, third card is the brown bear. Isn't he cute? He's actually one of my guides. So the brown bear is all about, gathering food. He knows when it's time to sleep. But in this card, it's reverse. So it's all about not taking action, not doing anything. Just say, you know what? I'm not doing that this week. I'm not doing it. I'm taking a break and I'm going to let my body lead me. Just like a bear knows when to hibernate. It knows. It has like an internal GPS. It knows when to say, not going to happen. I'm not sleeping now. There's a time for everything, right? So this week it's time for you to chill out and not take action. It might be saying, you know what? I'm not taking all these appointments. I'm not doing it. So it could be a time for that. This week is all about that. And listen to how nature wants you to go. Maybe it's time to sleep more, time to take bubble baths. Remember, non-action means doing nothing. And that is a powerful thing. Doing nothing is good. Doing nothing really revives your spirit. Okay? So let me go through the three cards again. I know I'm going a little fast here, but so here we have the Beaver Spirit. It's all about letting go of rotten things in your life, people who don't support you. Maybe you're not a strong foundation. So it's letting go of rotten things, right? And it's letting go of rotten things, but also having this new foundation. New dams are being built. Maybe you're having a new house this week. You're going into a new apartment. So somebody's calling me. Sorry about that. So this is all about having enough. Having the mindset of having enough, being generous, after you've rebuilt maybe you're going into a new house, maybe you're buying a car, maybe you're living on your own, maybe you're recently divorced, I don't know. So having this abundant mindset, being generous, helping out people without having that, what can I get from you? It's almost like being generous without an agenda. That's pretty much what I'm saying. So also, this is about the brown bear. It's saying, hey, you're rebuilding here. Okay, you're rebuilding. So now we have to have a new mindset, a new affirmation. I am enough. I'm valuable. Now it's time for us to just do nothing. Just step back and trust. Step back and trust. Taking a break this week and step back and trust. And trust that doing nothing is good also. Slowing down, Doing nothing is even better for you. So you can get up in the week after and say, okay, I'm going to do nothing. Even though some of you have a hard time with that, I know I do. And you can be like, okay, right on. You don't have to tell me twice. So listen to your body. If it's tired, it's time to do nothing. Okay? That's pretty much what it's saying. Okay. So with that being said, let's go into a meditation. Okay. So I want you to imagine that there's white energy coming from the bottom of the earth, going all the way up through your feet, all the way to your heart, breathing in. And breathing out. Breathing in through your nose. And breathing out through your mouth. Breathing in through your nose. Breathing out through your mouth. Ah, that feels so good. Doesn't that feel good? That feels so good. Feels so good. How do you feel? I am doing really well. Thank you, Carol, for asking. Yes, I'm doing really well. Okay, so now that we've done that, if you would love to join my mastermind, there is a link. I'm going to put it again. You probably hear my dog. Oops. If you'd like to schedule a free breakthrough call here. Oopsie. Oops. Oh, there we go. There we go. If you would like to have a soul reading, make sure you go to my website, which is trishacondo.com. That's my name. And I would love to hear from you. Otherwise, have a great week. And I can't wait to see you on Monday. Abnemotes.